Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be doing this look over here. It's a very ochreish gold smoky eye. I just based this look on this the color that inspired me to do the look. It's from the Morphe 35OS palette. I'll be just pairing it up with this lip. So if you want to know how to get this look, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm going to be going in with the Khadi Day Cream and applying it as my moisturizer on my face so that there are no dry patches. And then I'm going to be prepping my skin with this Milani primer to have a smooth base and so that all the makeup that we're going to apply adheres to the skin very well. We don't want it to budge, so we want to make sure everything adheres very well. Then I'm going to be using this NYX HD primer and applying it on my eyes to make sure that all the eyeshadows that we're going to apply sticks very well. We don't want it to move throughout the day. Then I'm going to be setting my eye primer with this shade for a seamless blending. Taking this transition color, we're going to apply it above the crease area with this Bdellium Tools brush number 785. And then I'm going to be using my Morphe 433 brush and then going into the crease color using this reddish brown shade and blending it thoroughly. Blending is the key guys here. Take your time and make sure there are no harsh edges. Okay, so what I'm doing here is guys taking the Bdellium Tools 773 brush and then I'm going in with this color which is a baby pukish color with a little bit of gold shimmer in it and applying it on my lids. Now I did wet my brush with the e.l.f. makeup mist spray to give that metallic look. Now I'm taking the same brush using the other side and going in with this dark brown chocolatey shade and putting it on my outer V. And then taking my Morphe M433 brush, blending it again. I do go again and apply the lid color because we did lose some of that color while blending. And then I go again using the same brush on the outer V on the other eye, pack the color and then blend it again. And then I'm taking this fluffy blending brush from Wet n Wild with no color on it and blending everything seamlessly to make sure there are no harsh edges. Then I'm applying this LA Pro Orange Concealer under the eyes and then using the Beauty Blender to dab it. Next I'm going in and dotting my face with the MAC Face and Body Foundation and just dabbing it with my Beauty Blender. Now I realized that I did not color correct my mouth area, so I went back, applied some orange concealer and then continued with my foundation. Now I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color Deep and applying it under my eyes and dabbing it with a beauty blender. And then I'm going to set my under eyes, nose and chin area with the RCMA No Color powder. Then I'm using this LA color dark shade called Beautiful Bronze and contouring it under my cheeks and then dabbing it with a beauty blender. Then I'm taking this shade called Dulce de Leche and powder contouring my cheeks. Then I'm dabbing off the excess powder from my under eyes, nose and the chin area. Then I'm taking this shade and then highlighting my inner corners. This is such an amazing inner corner highlight shade guys. I love this color. Then I'm going in with this Coralina color by Milani. It is so beautiful. This is like a peachy pink color with a little bit of shimmer in it. You can't really see the shimmer, but it's really beautiful. And then I'm going in with the Sasha Buttercup and then putting it under my eyes. I just felt like setting my under eyes very well, so I just went in again and did that. And then I'm going in with this Rimmel Kohl pencil in the color Plum and then just putting it in my waterline. Then I used the e.l.f. eyeliner and did a winged eyeliner. I cannot even tell you guys how pigmented this e.l.f. eyeliner is. It's like the blackest black. And then I'm going and just, tapping off the excess powder. Now, if you want a detailed video on any of the steps, comment below, guys. I can make a tutorial on that. And then I'm going in with this L'Oreal mascara in the carbon black, just applying it on my lashes. And then I'm using this Rimmel eyebrow pencil in the color hazel and just filling in my brows. I don't like to overfill my brows, just going in on my bald spots and just filling it up. That's it. And then I'm highlighting my cheekbones with this shade from the eyeshadow palette. Oh my god, this shade is not even a highlighter shade, it's like an eyeshadow shade. And then taking this dark brown color, I'm just putting it on my lower lash line and blending it. And then I'm going in with the ColourPop Lippie Stick Matte X shade called Ziggy and applying it on my lips. This is such a beautiful fall shade, guys. Okay guys, so this is the final look. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe if you haven't already. It would mean a lot to me. And if you have any video requests, please put it in the comments below. Thank you so much guys. Love you. Bye bye.